Okay, y'all, I'm gonna tell you one of my favorite features that no one really knows about on the Ford Bronco. Not a lot of people know that you can change your color on your car. Let me show you what I mean. So all you're gonna do is click Settings, swipe right, and click Ambient Lighting. And now you have so many colors to choose from. Let me show you what I mean. So if we go with pink, it changes to pink. If you wanna do blue, green, red, orange, and honestly, I think I'm really feeling either the red or definitely the pink.